Did you know that the quokka, often called the happiest animal in the world, is native to small islands off the coast of Australia? These tiny marsupials are famous for their cheerful smiles and friendly nature, and they love to hop around and explore their surroundings. Quokkas are very curious and playful. They nibble on leaves, berries, and shoots, and sometimes even seem to pose for pictures with humans. Just imagine a little quokka hopping through the forest, waving hello, spinning around, or rolling on the grass with a big smile. It's pure joy in motion. These adorable creatures remind us how fun and simple life can be when we enjoy the little things. If you want to see more quokka adventures and cute animal stories, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more.